ladies and gentlemen, we have another beautiful model, Sarah. And I'm gonna do a nice, beautiful step layer for our beautiful model. She has a gorgeous long hair, but there is no movement. I'm gonna make a very nice wispy in the front and kind of like a step layer and add a lot of texture and volume on the side and on the back because it's too flat here and here's also flat. So stay tuned and let's see what we can do with our beautiful model. All right, let's do it. Done. You cannot change your mind anymore. I already chopped it up. So we all done with our beautiful model, and you could see the nice face framing step layer for our beautiful model, and see all the gorgeous step by step. She did not lose the length. It's really nice and blended. We add some more volume here, also on the side too. because if you remember, it was so thin and also it was so flat on the side. So she is happy, and I think she is ready for a new boyfriend, right? Yes, she said yes. Okay. Thank you.